Hey, it's Alejandro Ledesma. Welcome to 813 Bonita Avenue, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, no HOA RV parking. In this video, I'm going to show you the schools and attractions surrounding within a 3-mile radius. You have Park Elementary School, Roy Martin Middle School, Valley High School. Then you have a park as well with soccer fields. You have the Art Factory, and then you have Fremont Experience, a historic street downtown Las Vegas with pedestrian-friendly zone with iconic hotels, live music, and entertainment. You also have Container Park and outdoor shopping mall. You have the Atomic Golf as well as the Strat. Then close by you also have the Art District. Art District is devoted to the art and culture in Las Vegas with multiple art galleries, local theater performance, local bands, restaurants, bars, and more. And you also have your Albertsons close by for your shopping. You have Sunrise Hospital and Las Vegas Country Club as well. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions.